Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson. 10 phrases every Italian beginner must know. Okay? Let's begin. If you want to learn Italian faster, then you need to practice it every day in your daily routine. And you can practice your Italian with me every day, okay? In 5 minutes every day you can practice your Italian with me. Let's begin. Our first phrase is Mi più aiutare? Mi più aiutare? Can you help me? Can you help me? You can ask anyone to help you. Mi più aiutare. Focus on the pronunciation. Aiutare. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then must subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. I hope you all are liking my videos. Thank you for watching. Next phrase is Mi scusi. Mi scusi. Parla inglese. Parla inglese. Mi scusi. Excuse me. Parla. Do you speak inglese? English. Mi scusi. Scusi. Excuse me. Me. Parla. Do you speak inglese? English. Excuse me. Do you speak English? Next one is A che ora apre? What time does it open? A che ora chiude? What time does it close? A che ora apre? A che ora chiude? What the time? Ora, time. Apre, open, chiude, close. A che, what? Ora, time. Apre, open, chiude, close. What time does it close or open? You can ask the shopkeeper or anything else. Next one is Posso avere il conto? Per favore. Can I have the bill? Posso, can I? Avere, have. Il conto, the bill. Per favore, please. Can I have the bill, please? Posso avere il conto, per favore? Conto, bill. Posso, can I avere, have il conto, the bill? Per favore, please. Next one is Dove la stazione? Dove la stazione? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Dove means where. La, the, stazione, station, train station. Dove, where. Dove, where. La is the stazione, station. Where is the train station? Next one is non mi piace. I don't like it. Non mi piace. Non mi, I don't. Piace, like it. Non, I don't. Mi, I don't. Like it. Piace. Piace. Piace means like. Non mi, I don't. I don't piace. Mi piace, I like it. Mi, I, piace, like it. Mi piace. If you want to practice them, then pause the video and practice them 1 or 2 times. If you want, okay? Mi piace, I like it. Let's move on to our next phrase. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, good morning. It's a greeting. Buongiorno, good morning. Buongiorno, good morning. Next one is buonasera. Buon, good, evening, sera. We call evening in Italian sera. Buon, good, sera, evening. Buonasera. Let's move on to our next phrase. It's buonanotte. Buonanotte. Buon simply means good. Buono, buona. Buon, good. Notte, night. We call night in Italian notte. If you like the video, then subscribe for more helpful videos.